So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Outlier, how to register and how to go about it. We all know that this update is not available in Nigeria, so you need someone outside the country to help you to create the account. So if you already have someone that wants to help you to create the account, you can actually send this video for them for a guide. As we all know, it's not available in Nigeria, so I'm going to make use of Prosy to access this website, because if I do not use any browser, I just enter the website, it's not going to load. So now, to get started, just go to your Chrome browser and search for www.outlierai.com. Then you just search for it. Make sure that you click on this first one. So if you click on this first one, then it's going to load. Let's wait for it to load. So this before you go into it, the things that you need ID card, you need number, then you need CV, and you need LinkedIn account. So you can actually use the template, the CV template I sent to you. It's not necessary it contain your main experience or your main what is it, qualification. No, you can actually use the experience in the CV format I sent to you. But what is important that it needs to show on your CV is your name, the name that you want to use to create this Outlier account. It has to be the same name on your CV. So your name, your number, your address, and email, that's what is necessary. So you can actually put your, it's not necessary that your qualification is not in line of AI, no. So that's the reason why you can use the template, the experience in the template CV I sent to you. And when you are creating your LinkedIn account, either you have LinkedIn account or not, you can actually use your existing LinkedIn account, or you create another LinkedIn account. You can create another LinkedIn account with another email just to link it with this Outlier. So in your LinkedIn account, make sure that it is the experience that you have in your CV. That's what you are going to put in your LinkedIn account. Then make sure that the name is the same. So it's not something complicated at all. So you first create your CV, then you create your LinkedIn account, and make sure that the experience that is there is what you are going to put on your LinkedIn account. So that's what you just need to prepare before you go into the website. So once you click on the website, just click on the, you can read more, but just click on view opportunity. I don't want this video to be very long, then I want it to be straightforward. So it's going to show up like this. Many people have different interface. In your own interface, if you see something like specialist, generalist, coding, just choose generalist, because it's generalist that we actually want to work with. So if this is your interface also, just scroll down, you see. So the one that you are going to choose is this place, this particular one. You can see it is generalist. Sorry, you can see it is generalist and is available in Argentina, Australia, Canada, US, and UK. So if you look at the job, you see that a remote job. If you look at the job under, you see it's generalist. If you look at this one under this, we see that this one is specialist. No, we are not going for the specialist. We are going for the general. Generalist is going to be available for like any task. You can do any task on it. So when you open it, you can see the country that is available to do this generally, which is Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Mexico, New Zealand, you understand, United States. So if your location is under this, then this is what you just need. You need to be, this is, you just need four step to get this job. Build your profile, confirm your identity, validate your skill, then start earning. So without wasting our time, let me just click on apply now. So we go straight forward to the business. So once you click on apply now, you just need to register with your email. Just register with your Google so that it will be very fast. So I'm going to click on the Google, then I'm going to click on the email I actually just want to use. Don't forget, this video is just for an illustration, because you can't use Prosy to create the account. You need to be in supported country, because there's no way I'm going to verify the account with my Nigeria ID card. So once it's brought to you, these are just the steps that you need. You will have prepared your CV and your LinkedIn account. So let me just click on go. So this place we are going to need fill your name, And so you put your name and make sure that the name that you want to put is tally with your name on your ID card and your name on the CV and your name on your LinkedIn account. So it has to be the same because you will need to verify your ID card. So if the name here is not what is in your ID card, you need to edit it and make it tally with your ID card. And this way you can just speak on social media, blah blah blah. Then because I'm using Prosy and the Prosy is in UK, that's the reason why the UK is here. So if you are registering your own, the state that you are in is going to reflect here. You understand? Then the territory is Scotland. So the territory of the Prosy I'm using is Scotland. So in your own case, you are going to put your territory, then you are going to input your US number or UK number, depend on the country that you are. Since I'm using UK Pros, I'm going to put UK number here just to take us to another step. I'm coming, let me input my number. So I've input my number there. I'm just going to click on verify phone number. Just take your time to watch this video. It's very straightforward. So I'll put, they will send code to your phone number. Then you just input the code. Let me just take the code. So this is the code. It's going to load and take you to the next stage. So this is the next stage. This is when you are going to link your upload your CV or resume, then your LinkedIn account. You will have prepared it. That's the reason why I said that you should prepare those two before you start the registration. You see this one at the down is not necessary. You can see it's optional. The more important is your LinkedIn and your resume. So I'll just upload any resume just for the purpose of this video. I have some resume in my this thing. Yes, you will have converted to PDF, you understand? So this is the CV I have here. I'm going to upload it. You can see it's loading. So once it's finished loading, you see that it will mark. So let's wait for that. You can see it's verifying this thing. It has marked. Then now I'm going to click on LinkedIn. Then I'm just going to link one of my LinkedIn accounts for the purpose of this video. So yeah, you're just going to enter the name, then the password of that your LinkedIn account. So once you enter, you just click on sign in. So they will send you code on your email, then you just enter the code. So I got the code now. I'll just click on submit just to link my LinkedIn with my Outlier. Just follow the procedure. It's not something complicated at all. So you can see it's now loading. So once you can see it's now marked simple. So once you already create the LinkedIn and the resume, everything will be very fast. So all what you just need, you don't need to do any other thing. Just click on import and review. That is all. And it's going to take you to the next step like this. Don't do anything here. Don't do anything. Just scroll down, then just click on save skill. Then we can move on to another stage. So the next stage is to verify your ID card. Then I don't think I will be able to do that with my Nigeria ID card. It will not go. So not to waste our time. So from here you can proceed. You understand? So once you let me just click on start verification. You choose the ID card that you want to use, either your driving license, either your voter's card and everything, depend on the country that you have. So any of the ID card of that country that you have, you can just use it to verify your identity. So you just click on begin the verification. Then so it depends on the country that you have. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm using UK. So if you're in the United Kingdom, it may be like this because I've created another video on US. It's not something like this. It will just bring out the ID card that you want to use. So this is all the procedure. I cannot verify the ID card. Let me just go back. So let me just go back to see where we are. You can see now we are at the number 3 just to verify your ID card. So once you verify your ID card, it's going to take you to the 4th place. You can see that the procedure is not something hard. It's not hard at all. So the 4th stage is when you are going to do assessments. They are going to tell you to open your So in this stage, you need laptop or PC to complete the assessment because you need to show your face. You understand? So once you pass that assessment is not something hard. If they ask you any question that you don't know, you can just ask your chat GPT for the answer. But it's not something, it's between 30 minutes to 1 hour. It's not complicated. Then once you've now passed that assessment, you need to pass it. So once you now pass the assessment, the last assessment is for you to get the job. So if you know yourself that you cannot pass that second assessment, you can actually give it to agents. Agents, we have some specialist agents that's based on this Outlier. They will help you to pass your account, then you'll be able to get the job. So this is when agent is going to come in to help you to pass your assessment. If you know that you cannot pass the last assessment, you can just give it to agent to help you to pass the assessment. Then once the job is secure, so you can now decide whether you want to be doing it by yourself or you want to give agent to help you to manage the accounts. And all what you just need to do is to be receiving payment every week. So we have percentage. So if you need anyone, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. You can message me through that group. So that will be the, and make sure that any person that you are telling to help you to open the account is someone that you trust, because it's that person that will be receiving the payments every week and the person will just be sending the money to you. So that's how it is. If you want more details on it, you can just message me on WhatsApp. So this will be the end of this video. If you know that you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share to your loved one. Always support me. It's not easy to make video on YouTube. Always support me. Like, comment and share to your loved one. Please support me, comment and share. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.